Hello everybody! Hi everyone. I'm so sorry in advance for the washing machine you can hear in the background. I had no choice but to film this like right now. So that's what I'm doing. This video is kind of a placeholder. It's a placeholder for learning Korean. For the next week, I'm gonna intensely study Korean because I've been wanting to get back on it and I've been kind of stalling. I don't know why. I got to a point where I just couldn't learn anymore. I was just, my brain, it just wasn't absorbing anything. Everything I learned, it was just being like pushed out or something. I don't know what happened, but like I came up to this massive block and I was just like, I couldn't learn anything anymore. And so I stopped learning Korean. And that was like a month or so before I went to Korea this summer. So when I went to Korea, it was like, I spoke to people and I kind of like revitalized my love for speaking Korean, and like it helped me to get past the block I was at, like my learning block. Anyways, oh my god, that washing machine is so loud. So over the next week I'm gonna be studying Korean every day and I'm gonna report back to you guys on how I went. I'm gonna be using two apps. One will be Duolingo, the other will be Lingo Dear. Because I've been using Duolingo before, so I'm just going to pick that back up. And I also was using Lingo Dear before. After I stopped using Duolingo, I started using Lingo Dear for a few months. So I kind of want to use both of them and see which one is most helpful in getting me to learn Korean. And I'm going to come back, I'm going to have an update, and we're going to talk about my Korean learning journey over the last, however long since my last Korean learning update. So I will be back with information. Until then, I will see you guys soon. Sorry it's a short video today. I thought I'd do something short. All my videos have been long and this washing machine is so loud. So I'm gonna leave now. And yeah, bye guys. Annyeong. Soon. How do I say soon? I don't even know how to say that shit. It's so loud. I hope you liked yesterday's video. If you didn't see yesterday's video, I did a reaction to K's, Shibal and J Park's V, so feel free to go and check that out. There's not a washing machine in the background, so you would be able to hear. Oh my god, okay, it's getting bad. I'm not gonna subject you guys to this anymore. I mean, like, this is like taking ASMR to like a new level. Okay guys, bye bye. 또 욕해서 미안해 나는 변하지 않았단 듯이